Hey guys, welcome back to math class. Today we are looking at surface area of cylinders. Not that many of you will need a refresher, but this is a cylinder where you have circles, circles, and then you have this that goes around it. Before we even get started, what shape is it that wraps around this circle? Any guesses? It is a rectangle. I happen to have this demonstration ready. So we have a lint roller brush. It's a circle. So let's imagine it's a cylinder. And when you take off the sheets of the lint roller, you have a rectangle. So I'm going to tear this off. So this rectangle is the surface area, the lateral area of a cylinder. So when you put it back together, it would make a circle. So let's look at our formulas. To find the lateral area of a cylinder, the lateral area, again, is the rectangle part. Lateral area is 2 pi r. That looks familiar. 2 pi r. What is that the formula for? 2 pi r. That's the formula for circumference. So this right here is the circumference formula times h. And h is the height of the cylinder. So much like with prisms, instead of saying perimeter, we say circumference because it's a circle. And then the distance between the circles, I'm going to go this way. So there we go. So the distance between the circles is this h piece. And when you open it up, you have a rectangle. So you get circumference times height of the cylinder. Now over here, remember this is lateral, not the bases. Total, we have to take in the rectangle plus your circle top and bottom. So that's where our 2 pi r squared comes from. What is pi r squared the formula for? Area of a circle. So this is right here. This is circle area. So 2 pi r is circumference, h. So again, this right here, this is the lateral area. Lateral area. Then we add our two circular bases. We use r because you reuse r over here. You could use diameter to find the circumference. Just make sure that if you use the diameter to find the circumference, that you make sure to use the radius when you're finding area, because we do not use diameter to find area. All right, let's draw a cylinder. Cylinders are not hard to draw, but I don't know. So like a long squished oval. And then from each end, draw straight down and straight down. And then again, we don't want to see both sides. I guess it doesn't really matter. But then do like a curved line on the bottom. Put a dot in the middle of your circle base and draw a dotted line out to the edge to identify the radius. Let's say that the radius for this shape is 4. Let's go 2, because I know we've done a lot with radius of 2, so it'll make the math easier. And let's make the height 7. 8. I'm just making it up. All right, these are the only two numbers you need. So let's find lateral area first. We have to do 2 pi. So step 1, we're going to do lateral area. By finding circumference. So we're going to just use our formula. 2 times pi times, what's the radius? 2 times height is how much? 8. This is my h. All right, so 2, I know this part right here. We've done that a lot. What is 2 times 3.14 times 2 again? 12.56. Yeah. So this is 12.56 times 8 is how much? 100.48. So that means that the rectangle that goes around, so like the label on this can, the label has an area of about 100.48, whatever it is. So this is my lateral area. Done with that. Now if I wanted to find total surface area, if I want to move down, let's do total area. I have to take my lateral area, so 100.48 for my lateral area, plus 2 times pi, and what's the radius again? 2 squared. All right, so the 2 here is because there's 2 circles, top and a bottom. If for some reason the question's asking you, like if there's not a top and there's only a bottom, you would have to factor that in here and only add 1 circle base, not 2. So let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So we've got 3.14 times, or, yeah, 3.14 times 8. All right, so I've got 25.12 as the area of both of my bases. I still have to add 100.48. $125.60. So this is my total area, total surface area of this cylinder. It's very much like a prism, same idea, just instead of polygons for the bases, we have circles. So instead of saying perimeter, we say circumference. All right, good luck. Have fun practicing. I will see you guys next time.